Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I wanted to share with you a new heat resistant tape that I've been using with sublimating. It's called Kaiy. They sent me 2 packages and I absolutely love this heat resistant tape. Each package comes with 4 rolls. They have 2 of the 10 millimeters and 2 of the 20 millimeters, and both of them are by 30 meters. You can use this tape for sublimation, PCB, circuit board, and soldering. This heat resistant tape works with high temperatures. Long-term temperature is up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Short-term temperature is 572 Fahrenheit. So what I love about this tape are the 2 sizes, and one of them is always perfect for your project. It also comes in amazing colors. Check this out. So I have the blue, this is the thicker one. And then of course it fits so perfectly on my tape dispenser. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. We're going to sublimate a tumbler today and use this tape. So this is the sublimation paper, and I'm just pressing it against the tumbler, and I am using this fantastic tape, which I love because it's thick. And then let's go ahead and we're gonna kind of fold this over just like this. Just pull securely. And I'm just gonna get all 4 sides, just kind of bring it together. And then what I like to do is just reinforce it. And I just will place this half and half, and that's why I love that it's this thickness, because then I can just fold it right over. So it's on here and then it goes down. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna turn it over, do the exact same thing on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do half and half, fold it over, okay? And then we're going to place it in the sublimation shrink wrap. Slide this in. And then I'm going to get the heat gun. Okay, awesome. We're gonna go ahead and place this in the convection toaster oven and get started. Okay, so I am going to be using a convection toaster oven. I have it on convection bake at 400 degrees. We are going to use parchment paper and place it on the rack. And then we're gonna put the tumbler in, and we're going to sublimate it for 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so now it's been 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and rotate the tumbler. And do another 3 minutes. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and turn it off. And take it out. And make sure that you use heat resistant gloves because it is very hot. And see how well the tape is staying? This stuff works awesome.